Peace be upon you all. I hope you all are well. Today I have an unboxing video for you in regard to a few mods that we're doing to the car, inshallah, right now. So basically, I think you already know what this is. These are reverse lights, the bulbs, and then over here we have some LED indicators. Oh, I love these. So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to install this on the back, and then this one, because the front headlights are a bit hard to reach to, and I have plans in the future to take the headlights out a bit for some adjusting of the high beam and stuff like that. So inshallah, when those come out, we'll just plug these in. But for the time being, we'll just install these. In today's video, we're only going to focus on the back of the car, so we're going to be installing these. I'll actually show you. I tried to open this and I failed miserably, but anyways, let me just open this and show you. They are huge, they are massive, bro. They are massive. I'm not even sure how this is, like, if this is going to fit or not. Basically, this is it. So I hope the guy sent me the right size. Oh wow, no, I thought this was glass because it was cold and everything, but I think it's just plastic. So yeah, man, these are the thingy majiggies. But anyways, for the time being, I'm just going to keep it in its case over here, and then inshallah when we go downstairs, we'll take them out of this. And in regard to the reverse lights, I'll show you that as well. These are the reverse lights. I hope they look clear. Wait, let me just open this. Okay, so we just do that, and then we just so they're very nicely sealed, tightly packed. Okay, I just need one. Thank you. Oh wow, so there's LEDs on the back and on the front, on the top, on the bottom, and on the back. So yeah, man, this is how it looks. This is the connector, I believe. Hopefully it focuses. So yeah, man, it looks really nice. Alright then, guys, so we have the car in the garage, and what we're going to do right now is I'm going to show you how currently it looks with the indicators and the reverse bulb. So let me just get to that. Alright then, so that's how it currently goes. And now when I unlock it, basically you can see that's the indicator. And when I unlock it, this. So yeah, that's basically how it is. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to install firstly I'm going to install everything on this side, and then we'll do it on that side, on the other side. So here's our kit, and yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so basically step one is to get rid of all this padding. We need to just get a flathead screwdriver and pull these out. So I'll be back. Okay, so with the connectors out, we can see the light over here. We have basically, this is for the braking, and this is what we're interested in. This is for the indicator. So we're going to pull this out, and then we'll take a look at the bulb first. So let's pull this out. That's the connector, and to pull this out, we twist and we pull out. So this is what we have, and this is the indicator. And now let's just replace this. Alright then, so you can see how this looks. This is what was in the car. One mistake that I've made, I don't remember how it was situated inside the car, but anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to pull this out. Oh wow, this is hot, subhanallah. So I've pulled this out. It came out like this, with the prong over here at the top. So we're going to use the same way, and I'll show you how we're going to put this in. The prong at the top, you can see over here. Wait, let it focus, and we're just going to push this in like this, and just like that, and that's installed. That's our new indicator. I'm going to clean this a bit. There you go, it's all cleaned. And with that being said, let's put it in. Okay then, just how we've had it in before, we're just going to put this in like this. Make sure this fits in the bulb, and then just twist it. There we go, that's locked. And we're going to just push that back in. Subhanallah, that has been installed. So now, I know we shouldn't probably do this, but hey, I mean we should, of course, to test it. Okay, oh my god, look at that. Subhanallah, that's the new indicator. You can see that, and now look at this. This is the old indicator. You can barely see it, and it's so out of line. Wait, give me a second, let me just step back a bit so you can see this both in one frame. Oh no, you can't. Well, that's that one. And you can probably see from here. Yeah, you kind of can. Yep, look at that. Look at the difference, subhanallah. MashaAllah, amazing, amazing, amazing. To be honest, I would want for it to be a bit more yellower, but hey, this it does, mate. Look at that, subhanAllah, amazing. Right, and now just to work on the reverse light in here. So basically we're going to have to take all this off and then we'll be able to get to the reverse light. However, before that, we have of course done this. So basically we just need to put back the lining over here, and over here are the clips. So I'll actually show you how I'm going to put it back in. Okay, so we're going to just push this in like that. Then you see these holes, right? So we're going to take one of these clips, we're going to line it up, hopefully you can see this, and push it back in. Good. And now we're going to just take this and push that back in, and look at that, just all factory, as if it was never touched. Subhanallah. So over here you can see this is the wiring for the camera, but anyways, alhamdulillah, at the end we did get it. Basically you just twist this like this and then it just comes out. So that's our bulb. So now just replace this. Alright then, so I've gotten the bulb out. Let's just put this back over there. And this is the new bulb installed. I'm going to just put this in temporarily and just check if everything is working good. The way, sorry, you were looking at my nail there, and then we just twist this. We twist this tight and it should basically just go into place. There we go. I haven't started the car, but we have put it in reverse. So now this light should be on. Subhanallah. Look at this light. Okay, let's just close this temporarily. Subhanallah. Look at this light and look at this light. There's quite a difference, especially in color and everything. Wow, mashallah. And if I step back, I hope you can see this. There's the difference. You can barely see the light on the left. I'm going to put all the brightness all the way down. Wow, there's a huge difference, subhanallah. Alright then, the fan was on because a wasp tried to attack me. But anyways, we have done this side. So now what we're going to do is we're going to repeat the process from this side for both the indicator and the reverse light, and then I will show you the after results. Alright then, so this is the final product. I mean, right now it pretty much looks kind of stock. Alhamdulillah, I did it all myself, so subhanallah, it was a very straightforward and easy installation. It's a very new experience for me. But yeah, with that being said, let's unlock the car and see how the reflectors, how the indicators go. Oh my god, subhanallah. Oh my god, look at like how it stays on for a second. Subhanallah. Subhanallah, man. It looks amazing. Especially this. I'm gonna now turn the hazards on. So of course I did disconnect the lights, and you can see I forgot to reconnect it. You can see over here, this one is not on. So we're going to go back, and good thing I checked, because or else I would have been driving with this off. So yeah, let's turn that on, and then I'll also show you the reverse lights. With that being said, there was just a loose connector. I plugged that in, and subhanallah, it looks amazing now. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. MashaAllah, subhanallah, it looks amazing. Oh, what happened there? Okay, anyways, let's turn on the reverse lights now. Now the reverse lights are also on, you can see from here, and you can also see that one as well. It's that bright. Let me just show you properly. On this side as well, you can see the indicators and the reverse lights. Subhanallah, subhanallah, it looks amazing. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's all for today. This is our modification. Inshallah, soon we will be getting new lights and everything. So yeah, man, and inshallah, soon we will also get the reflectors down there as well. So yeah, man, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys found it interesting. And if you've made it till the end, please do like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have made it till here, go down in the comments and say, Meow Billah, you did a good job. And yeah, so yeah, with that being said, peace be upon you all. See you in the next one. Thank you.